What's happening? I know I'm a bit late with this challenge, a cinnamon challenge. I know it's been going on for a while now, but I only just started doing videos, so I thought I might as well start out with the cinnamon one, isn't it? So yeah, I have a cinnamon right there. I have a teaspoon, a tablespoon actually, tablespoon, ready to do the challenge. And to prove to you guys that I'm doing the challenge for real, I'm going to show you, because I realize some people come up to the camera and go to the side and throw off the powder and then put an empty spoon in their mouth. So watch ya. Rock it. Watch it. 1 tablespoon. No, that's a lot of tablespoons. What do you say? 1 tablespoon? 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright, ready. Alright man, get my game face on. Alright. Burn. Burn. Come follow. Now man, now. Shit, that burn. Alright, I stand defeated. Oh, shit blocks off your throat, man. Nah, yeah, cut it.